I'm not getting vehicle speed sensor reading from my front left or my front right. This is the second, well actually the second set that I replaced. I only replaced the right front the second time just to see if it was the sensor. It's not the sensor. It's either the PCM not talking to the ECU, or it's bearing decoder ring on these bearings that I bought from Emirates on eBay. And I got the Christmas lights, but I got speedometer. You know, I disabled the battery and discharged it, connected it, and went through the little hill assist thing, and it finally passed the hill assist. And now I'm getting full speed, but if I go over 60, it'll bog down because it's trying to put me in limp mode, but it's not in limp mode because I can go past 20 miles per hour. I can do about 60, but I can't like exceed that or be consistent. And so I'm at a loss with this car. It's a 2014 Subaru XT. I've been on the forum. Some guy had the same issues, going back and forth with bearings, sensors. And the thing is, this thing was working fine. The reason why I did this was because the left front bearing was howling when you turn right, you know, and now it's beautiful, you know, but it's like you replace this shit and you get more shit. So I'm like, okay, Subaru, how do I fix this? So now I got to spend another $900 to $2,000 because they're going to have to diagnose it. They're going to have to say, oh, you need to replace this. They give me all this bullshit. And then I'm stuck with the $2,000 bill, you know? Well, then again, it's better than buying a $50,000 car, but then they'll go, oh, by the way, we found this and this. It's a good idea to trade this in now. Anyway, man, that's my 2 cents. Bye.